हेलो मंथन. गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड इवनिंग और गुड आफ्टरनून. मतलब हमारे लिए तो क्या है, वी वोंट रियली टेल द वर्ल्ड, बट डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हेनेवर पीपल आर लिसनिंग टू दिस, उनको जो पिक करना हो कर लेंगे.
Yes, done.
और क्या चल रहा है?
All बढ़िया बढ़िया बढ़िया.
बढ़िया. सो
Yeah.
अच्छा मंथन, वैसे बाय द वे, आई डिड एन लाइक बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस इंटरव्यू, आई डिड एन अनऑफिशियल, I mean unofficial in the sense that it's not really substantiated this report, but I am studying a lot of Instagram and YouTube followers of late for academic purposes,
All
and
right.
I think you might just be the fastest growing food channel in India.
Not sure about the fastest, but among the people I know, I had a very good pace.
हाँ, तो वो actually at least on Instagram food channels में you are the fastest, and considering that that you started with what, like, when I was analyzing this further, I actually ran some tools, and I realized that none of your content is promoted. It is all organic. So yeah,
Completely organic. Completely
completely
organic.
organic. So let me start with the most obvious question, right?
Yeah.
Ki, in about a year, how did you grow 35,000 plus followers?
See, as on today it is 38.2.
Okay.
So it was more like people kept sharing the videos, and it just went to more people. It reached more people. The two things that majorly went viral on my profile was one, Mawa cake, which was featured by Instagram only.
अच्छा.
So when when Instagram featured it, so it went up to 14 million views,
Wow.
and that got me around 5-6 thousand followers. And the second reel that got viral, it was not featured by Instagram, but it went viral up to like I think 3 million views, 3 or 4 million views uska hua hai, and that was me being a maths teacher. So
Okay.
because of that, like I got a good number of followers from there also. But yeah, majorly it was because people used to keep sharing, because the recipes which I was posting was initially the beginner ones, and they were really easy ones and just 1 minute videos. I was not talking much like YouTube channels. I was not
Right.
really doing this that सब्जियां काट के नहीं दिखा रहा था, सब्जियां कटी कटाई दिखा रहा था. Used to
Uh-huh.
save a lot of time, so it was like ठीक है. Then people used to keep sharing. Plus, I was putting Bollywood songs on the videos, which was like more keeping people more relating it, keeping people more interested in the video. कि हाँ मतलब अगर एक वीडियो को 5 बार भी देखना पड़ता तो कोई अफसोस नहीं है कि गाना तो अच्छा बज रहा है कम से कम पीछे. So it was more like that. So that somehow I feel these things worked in favor of me, and hence my
Right.
profile grew from like I was in last March I was around 4,000 followers, March 2020, and today it is 38K. So it went all that because of these reasons maybe.
Nice. So, now what I have noticed around us in general, right, is that a lot of people think that they want to become a content creator, and a lot of them try their own means, right? Some people will start post about 100 things and then stop. The others will want to gain expertise on a topic. They feel that they might as well research for the first 6 months and then probably start off. And then there are a lot more. I mean, I'm talking about two extremes here, and then there are a lot more people in between who just kind of get started, right? But not a lot of these people uh, have gained a lot of followership as you have. Uh, and again, I mean, what is really amazing here is that all of this is organic purely. So, do you think that there is a process to become a content creator on Instagram?
I'll tell you this thing now. Becoming a blogger or a content creator is new engineer doctor today. Everybody wants to become that. Okay. Second,
Right,
uh, everybody who has a smartphone can become a content creator.
right.
But there are a few things that people, one, are not consistent with posting, and then keep on crying कि हमारे follower base नहीं बढ़ रहा है. Second, they don't know what they're putting, like people, if I would say for my case, I was actually a food reviewer, and my growth was really, really slow then. in 2.5 or 3 years, 2.5 years, I came up to like 3.5K. That too
Okay.
because people who were into food blogging, who were into restaurant reviews and all of that. Only these used to follow. Now
Mhm.
my profile has got cooking enthusiasts, which are like, if I cook something good, I will share with 5 other friends of mine.
Right.
So that is how the content is now more relatable to people.
Mhm.
That is how it goes. It grows more. Third thing I would say, people do not have patience.
Hmm.
Now I do get DMs like shout out de do types, and with 10 posts. Now with 10
Right.
posts, who is gonna understand the pages of your interest or not? You have to
Right.
wait, you have to keep patience, and I mean it's fine if it takes time, it takes time. My post went viral after 3 years. I
Right.
have my post count is right now 980 or something.
Mhm.
So it took me a while to reach there. So people have to have that patience that भाई अगर शुरू किया है, and I would say if you want to create your page, create it out of your passion, or if you have a hobby or you have love for something. So you don't regret for followers आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है. You don't have to get
Hmm.
paranoid for that. You are doing it
Right.
for your good interest. So if you are good at painting, paint and post. You know
Right.
that self, you can say without expectation kind of thing. It helps better. That would be my a genuine advice to anybody who wants to take it.
So the creative process then here would be pick something that you like doing and just start doing it. Is it
Yeah, I mean, I mean, that the only thing is like, don't do what everybody else is doing.
right?
If everybody is using a kind of music, like आजकल जो चल रहा है वो सोनी की इतनी सोनी आज तो लग दी वेट वाला, बोले
हाँ
चूड़ियां. After
हाँ
these two guys, made a dance video. Now
right
everybody's putting that song only. So even if something interesting is there, I would say for my example only, if I find something interesting, but just because it's a song which is irritating in my head, I scroll it up. ये
right
नहीं देखना है किसी को. So I would say do something different from the crowd. I mean, don't follow the mass just like that.
right. That makes sense. That makes sense. Also, about the level of expertise that you probably need to. So, I mean, the reason I'm asking this question is about expertise. About when you want to become a content creator. Uh, how do you which one do you give more preference to? The expertise that you have to a content or a domain, or the level of passion that you have? Like which weighs more according to you?
See, if you have passion for something, if you like doing something, eventually you'll become expert for that. When I started a year ago, and two kind of videos on editing I'm doing today, it's pulls apart. If
Mhm.
you go on my post of March 2020, if you go on my post of March 2021, you will see the difference. So you don't have to wait to become an expert. You have to start from somewhere.
Right.
It's fine to make mistakes, and I'm happy with my mistakes, what I have done. So one of my videos, I was learning. It was like my new experience of cooking videos. In one of the videos which went viral initially, I think my
Mhm.
first 5 videos, may say, it was chole. The reason it went viral was, there were two reasons. One,
Mhm.
there were three reasons actually. One,
Mhm.
the recipe was very simple. It was one
Mhm.
pot meal. Second, the song which I had used was Bacha Masala. So people you kept nostalgic about it, and they shared it.
Mhm.
Maybe. Third, जीरा जल गया था. So
क्या हो
while
गया
I
था?
was जीरा जल गया था. So while I
ओके.
was cooking,
हाँ.
जीरा मैंने तेल गरम था, जीरा ऐड कर दिया because अब छोले भी ब्राउन है, जीरा भी ब्राउन है, वो जल
हाँ.
गया. तो I did not realize while making it. टेस्ट में भी नहीं आया मुझे ऐसा. While
हाँ.
editing it also, I did not realize that. But somebody who saw the video made a
हाँ.
comment कि जीरा जल गया है. I ignored. I was like ठीक है, एक जन ने देखा, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. फिर मैंने
हाँ.
देखा तो वो सच्ची में जल गया था, वो थोड़ा ज्यादा ब्लैक हो गया था वो. बट देन
अच्छा.
उसको देख के पीछे लाइन लग गई थी कि भाई तुमको खाना बनाना नहीं आता तो क्यों बनाते हो, ऑल दैट हेट
ओ
कमेंट्स एंड
अच्छा.
everything started like that. But then people kept sharing for some of the other reasons, and after all these three reasons की वजह से 4.5 lakh views हो गया उसका. It went into people's explore. A lot of people, I mean, approximately 800 people followed me for that recipe.
अच्छा मतलब So it's like the universe set things in motion for you कि चलो गाना भी अच्छा है, कंटेंट भी अच्छा है, रिलेटेबल है, छोले तो सबको पसंद है.
And
और
see, if somebody wants to see good in something, they will see. So don't
right,
worry about that. If you make mistake, it's okay. It's fine. So don't wait to become an expert. You can start from wherever you want to.
right, right, that makes sense. So I like this line that you used where you said that if you're passionate about something, you will eventually learn how to do it better.
Because then you eventually, start following such pages which are doing similar work, and you get ideas from them also while you're
Right.
doing it. So it's fine to do something and at a beginner level and eventually excel to it. That's really fine.
So are you saying that a year back you did not know how to cook at all?
I used to I see before a year I used to cook paneer burji, anda burji, and salads.
Okay.
Only these three things I used to cook. I have experimented a lot of things after March
Mhm.
2020. Baking, of course, I did not do earlier. I started baking after 2020 only. So yes, majorly which is on my profile is something which I made for the first time.
Is it true that now, I mean, I'm just basing this off of one of our conversations, that is it true that if your maid hadn't stopped coming, you probably would have never become a food influencer?
Definitely. No, no. I was a food
Food
reviewer
blog,
earlier
food
also
reviews, well, yeah.
already. Earlier, but if my maid was stopped coming, I would have never tried to post cooking content on my post videos.
Right.
I would not never done that. I would I would have made spaghettis or pastas or something like that, but I would not have ever put my hands to a complete meal, like
Mhm.
from paratha to dal khichdi to pulao and all. I used to make, that's fine, but I never would have experimented with complete meals with rajma, with all those things, because the मिल रहा है बना बनाया तो क्यों मेहनत करेंगे.
Right, right. वो भी है. But अभी तो अच्छा है ना. I mean, now that now that you have 38K, 40K people following you now, so say going forward when things start opening up, then if you go back to being a food reviewer, if you start visiting restaurants, then again you'll have more clout because
No, I
you
would
have a
not.
ready base.
I do not know if I'll become a reviewer again, because see, basically that content is not really, not really interested for my page, because my audience is people who want to cook.
Mhm.
Once in a blue moon, I might go somewhere and I might eat just a normal dinner or lunch, and I post picture. But for that matter, I know my audience is not somebody because see, now I have pan India, or maybe I have people from outside India also. What would they do knowing कि Bandra में क्या restaurant है?
Right.
But if I cook something, everybody's interested. So going back to reviewing, I'm not sure about that. But yeah, cooking videos definitely will be keep coming.
So
And I would rather say when you said I would not never have tried if my maid had stopped coming, but I'm happy that she did stop, because you realize you love doing something. Now that my maid is coming at home also, but now I know घर में beetroot पड़ा है, spaghetti पड़ा है, so that I will not tell her to do. I will cook myself because I like doing that.
right.
So you discover some things out of some reasons. So cooking is something which I realized that I love cooking also.
Interesting. So,
Yeah.
you mentioned about how your content strategy, so to say, will be dependent upon how your audience is, right? Like you very clearly said that you won't be very keen to go back to food reviewing. So, see, one way to understand your audience is by obviously checking your insights, and then if you want, you can go into depths of what countries they come from and all. But apart from that, I mean, as an instinct, how do you relate to your audience? Like, how do you come to know what your audience is probably liking more?
It's purely depend upon how many saves I have on any profile, on any video. So basically, if you say Indian desserts है जो simple वाले हैं, गाजर का हलवा
Mhm.
हो गया, आटे का हलवा हो गया, या फिर लड्डू जो recently बनाए थे मैंने सूजी के. So these are like less ingredients, readily available at home, and it is on the Indian palates. So everybody loves it.
Right.
Every mom has a way of cooking it, so you just do your way of doing it. Maybe I would have done from, taken from my mom. I would have
Mhm.
taken from 5 recipes on YouTube and combined it together in my way. I would have put
Right.
something extra from my side in that, because basic things remain same when it comes to
Right.
Indian cooking. The order might change, but basic things or one or two ingredients here and there, everything remains same only. So going that to it, so which is like on the palates of people, which is available at home, is running more as compared to me putting cream cheese wala thing, something like that. So of course that's not readily available, that's not with people, on the palates of everybody. In my home also, if I have to cook, nobody else will eat that except for me and my brother.
Right.
My
Right.
parents won't really be very fond of, having it more and more. Rather than that, if I make laddus, they'll be very happily eating it.
Right. Because it suits their
So it
palate.
becomes, yeah, it's purely on the palates.
So, which means that no matter how instinctive you get, relying on data uh, at some point or the other to understand your consumers does help, right? Whether you're looking at your
No, but you have
sales.
to keep experimenting and you have to keep expanding also, because then otherwise you're saturated with one kind of audience only.
Okay.
So knowing the fact that mushroom is not loved by many on
Mhm.
my page, in my house also, but then there are a segment of people who love mushroom. I am one of them. You give me mushroom every day, I eat it.
Right.
So you have to expand also. Now I don't eat non-vegetarian food. So I have a limitation that I can't cook meat and chicken and stuff.
Right.
I'm an vegetarian. So I have to limit myself up to eggs only. So right now, you know that one part of your audience is limited. So you can't keep saturating your profile like that.
So, so in terms of diversification of content, uh, now let's talk about your talents, right? You're a trained Samak dancer. You are
Yes, I have done Bollywood and contemporary from Shamak Davar Institute.
uh, so then you have then you professionally teach mathematics.
Yes,
You have done an MBA. You have worked in the corporate and public service sector for 5-ish years, and
yes,
you also teach Garba for that matter.
right,
You're very good at
right.
that. I've seen the videos and reels. So
Hmm.
now with all of this, right? And obviously you love Bollywood and you like to dance Bollywood as well. So now
Hmm.
with all of this, right? I'm sure there must be a lot of times when you would want to try content apart from cooking as well.
Yeah.
So how do you go ahead with the process of diversification in your content?
See, the best part about my profile is कि वो मेरे नाम पर है. I don't have a handle which is inclined to a niche. My
Right,
handle name is with me. I can do anything I want.
right,
So I have been posting dance on my post. I have been posting reels of lip sync and stuff. I have been putting funny videos, and majorly it is loved by people also. Some are not, some are yes, but then there's no regret about those things, because it's a content. People might like it, people might not like it, up to them. So I mean, I do, as I said, I do all that because I love doing all that. I love doing an acting in the front of the camera, beat lip sync, beat anything. I love doing that, so I do that. Dance, of course, I have done contemporary, Bollywood, salsa, bachata, jive, cha-cha, rock and roll, kizomba. I've done all of them. So I like dancing, and अभी तो we can't go out and dance. तो ठीक है, कैमरा है उसके सामने ही नाच लो. So
right.
like that, अपने अपने शौक पूरे करने हैं तो जब when you are doing it, do it in front of the video. Some people might like it, some people might find it positive, some it might give some people some smile. Let it be. People
Were
are in a
you
bad shape right now.
were you apprehensive of trying some dance or such related content uh, when you were doing it for the first time? Like suddenly you got a lot of traction because of your cooking related content, and then you're like,
Hmm.
चलो मुझे करना है, but like should I not? वो एक थोड़ा सा dilemma हुआ, एक थोड़ी apprehension हुई होगी ना? How did you clear that?
Not really, because before going viral, I was doing all that. तो शर्म तो थी ही नहीं कभी कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. और
Right,
ना ही मेरे अंदर I had a pressure in my head कि I have to reach this milestone, I have to go this milestone, कि अगर लोगों ने unfollow कर दिया तो क्या होगा. I
right,
do keep putting on my stories कि unfollow मत करना देख के, but that's on a very jovial side. I don't have a pressure कि किसी ने अभी नहीं पसंद है unfollow करना है, if you're that fragile, do it and that's fine. कोई और कर लेगा आके. It becomes like that after a point because my page is something which should give me happiness first. So if I'm happy posting it, if I'm happy doing it, let it be.
Right. So I've noticed that many content creators, they end up starting off with a different kind of content, and after they have achieved that level of sophistication or level of fame, then they try diversifying into other things as well. Say a classic example would be Tanmay Bhatt, right?
Hmm.
Uh, आज date में in India there is no bigger name on YouTube than Tanmay Bhatt. Carrie
Hmm.
Minati has more followers, but then he is not as influential as Tanmay Bhatt is. And I
Hmm.
think probably one of the reasons of that could be that he started off with comedy, and now he's not entirely restricted to comedy, right? He maintains couple of several channels of his own, and in those he talks about many different things, right? So he kept on diversifying onto different tractions, and now we barely ever see a stand-up comedy video by that member, which
So
was his
that's what I'm
main
saying.
thing.
See, diversification is not bad, but you have to stick to your roots also. So if I keep posting for straight 7 days, if I keep posting the lip sync reels or if I keep posting dance, people will go away because that is not something for which they had followed my page. So that is what
Right.
I see. I like doing those things, but I have to understand my audience also. I can't really, overlook them and keep posting that stuff only. For that
Hmm.
matter, if you and me are also following some celebrities or people, we would not really keep following them for longer if the content is not relevant to us for beyond
Right.
a certain. So
Right.
that
Right.
is what happens with us also and to us also. It's a very much at par. I keep thinking like, would I do that if I follow a celebrity or a content creator for a longer time, and
Hmm.
if that person, because of no good reason, stops posting what that person used to post and keeps posting something which is not really, I don't find that funny, I don't find that relevant. So I might as well not keep that person's page on my profile then.
Right. So, is it safe to say that your advice would be pick your core competency, stick to it, and keep on
Yeah,
diversifying by the side, but
so
never
that you
let go of
understand
what.
what people like, yeah, but don't
Right,
completely forget your roots.
right, right. That makes sense. Uh, but here's something which actually, uh, I mean, intrigues me a lot because professionally you are a maths teacher, but
Correct.
your biggest fame, so to say, has come from becoming a cooking influencer. So,
Hmm.
do you and you accepted several times that you're not an expert level cook, right?
I am not a trained cook. It is in the genes I have. My mom is an amazing cook, so whatever I have is in my genes only.
Right. So ऐसा कभी होता है क्या when you say you're posting something which is a very complex recipe, or which is something which you know that you've only learned a couple of days back or something. Uh, do you have a content vetting mechanism? Like, do you run it past some people, make sure that it's validated by somebody?
See, validation. First of all, I don't cook complicated stuff. I don't cook that complicated things.
Okay.
Secondly, which is medium level of complicated stuff. I know my level of thing that itna to mujhse ho jayega types. You
Mm-hmm.
know, after it is made, I go to people to vetting my videos only. I have a
Right.
very good friend of mine who keeps vetting my video कि भाई spelling mistake नहीं है.
Mm-hmm.
Rest editing and everything, now I have become like that कि भैया वो तो हो ही जाएगा. And after cooking for a year, I mean almost every day you realize कि this is something which you can do, this is something which you cannot do, and this is something which has failed already. So that keeps happening. The biggest challenge for me was, which where I pushed myself, was Christmas cookies, which didn't really do really well on Instagram because of course of the type of
Complexity.
uh, ingredients it had, and
Okay.
yeah, complexity also. So wo kaju katli and pista roll.
And pista?
Pista kaju pista roll.
Ajay Kaju pista
I
roll.
I never thought कि they'll turn out that good. but it turned out really really good, and it went viral also, like to a lot of reach also. Christmas cookies, of course, cookies are not Indian palettes, and not that Christmas is very much celebrated in every household types. I made something for my experiment, I loved it. So that is how this most complex thing which uh, happened. One of the most complex thing was which I made for my birthday. There was gulab jamun cake. It was a time consuming recipe, but
Okay.
somehow I compressed it to 1 minute also. But yeah, it was like more of a that thing ke acha nahi bana to birthday cake type aisa. But yeah, after a point I realized कि इतना तो हो ही जाएगा, only whipping cream का doubt है मेरे को, बाकी it was
हाँ,
fine. So eventually you realize कि कितना तुमसे हो जाएगा.
right, right. Uh, I also want to, like, in this conversation, I also want to talk to Manthan Gattani, the maths teacher, because
Okay.
uh, because maths has never been. So I've had a love-hate relationship with maths because when I started off in school, at the start of high school, I was blessed with some really, really good teachers for maths, and that made me very comfortable with the subject. Uh, Next up, when I entered like the later classes, then mathematics got more complicated, and the teachers, I think, I didn't gel well with them. Not to say that they were not better or no, not good, but I didn't like enjoy a lot with them. So I started rejecting maths, and uh, and then that led to a lot of career transitions as well for me. As in, like my career trajectory changed a lot. Eventually, once I started becoming a marketer and I started playing with data, I realized that maths is not all that bad, and now I kind of appreciate maths a lot more than I used to. Uh, but for you, I know from the fact that you've always been studying maths very happily, even since
Right.
even you were a kid.
Yeah.
Uh, but but not a lot of kids relate to that, right? Not a lot of kids study maths very happily. So I think my first question to you will be: A, why don't kids like maths according to Manthan Gupta?
Why do they like, or why do they do
Why
not like?
don't they according to you?
They do not like for the very good reason that mathematics needs practice,
Okay.
and we don't really practice, or we don't know really from where to practice.
Hmm.
Third thing, the subject which is putting your entire percentage down, you can't like that subject for sure.
Huh.
At that age, you are not matured enough to understand that we can improve that also. Not everybody is that mature to improve that. Eventually people get a phobia or a hatred towards it. That is why people do not like maths कि भैया नंबर तो आ नहीं रहे हैं और ऊपर से मेरा परसेंट डाउन कर रहे हैं वो अलग, घर में डांट पड़ रही है सो अलग, और कंपैरिजन हो रही है कि भैया तेरे दोस्त के उतने आगे तेरे क्यों नहीं इतने आ रहे, तो उस
Right.
चक्कर में अलग पड़ रही है. तो देयर आर सेवरल रीजंस फॉर नॉट लाइकिंग मैथमेटिक्स.
Copy. Uh, and and now for kids that probably are like hamisha there are these three types of people, right? People who won't do it, people who are doing it, and then there are people in the middle, who like might do it.
कर लेंगे.
अरे कर लेंगे अगर थोड़ा सा उनको पुश किया जाए तो वो
Hmm.
कर लेंगे अच्छे से. So
Hmm.
to such people especially, maybe kids who are preparing for high school maths, uh, maybe graduates who want to get into data science now, who don't have a background in maths but they want to learn maths, uh, because data science requires a lot of mathematics. People who are appearing for MBA entrance exams and other entrance exams. So all of these people now, who want to get into maths but are still very afraid because of their baggage, the baggage that they carry. So what would you advise them to do
See,
to
first
get
of all,
comfortable?
if I have to tell you now, up to 10th, if any kid is listening to this, if any kid feels this कि हमसे maths नहीं होगा, वो चीज दिमाग से निकाल देनी चाहिए.
Okay.
Every kid up to, I'm not even saying 11 12 because that involves calculus. I'm not coming to calculus for sure. Up to 10th, no kid is not capable of doing maths. I have made kids who are at 40% reach 85% in mathematics itself. And that's something, not that I have some tablets which I prescribe, it's completely because of their practice.
Right.
So the only key to do mathematics is to practice. Secondly, the phobia that majorly kids have is कि हम एग्जाम में ब्लैंक हो जाते हैं या हमारा पेपर छूट जाता है. These are the only three things that are the major problem which I have seen in my career so far. So when they say about paper छूट जाता है, तो I have already given them one real thumb rule. Practice mathematics for 5 minutes a question के रेट पे. Every day I tell the parents also कि भैया अपने बच्चे को किताब लो और randomly just mark 6 questions for them and tell them to complete them in 30 minutes.
Right.
Once they are doing it for like 3 days, make it to 12 questions in 1 hour. And after 1 week, make it 15 questions in 1 hour. Eventually, they'll come down to 3 minutes per question. They will never ever in their life, miss out on any question in a question paper. People who say कि हमको मैथ्स देख के पसीना आ जाता है या पेपर देख के हम ब्लैंक हो जाते हैं, उनका बहुत सिंपल रूल है. डू नॉट रीड द एंटायर पेपर. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट आता है करो, नहीं आता है तो सेकंड पे जाओ. Do not, I always tell my kids, do not take more than 2 minutes to decide if you have to do this question, if you don't have to do this question. नहीं आ रहा है छोड़ दो. You have 27 questions in the paper. Why are you stuck at one or two?
Right. Right.
So that's really fine, leaving questions, doing more questions, that's really okay. So all these things need to be told to kids, all these need to be imbibed in them. That is why me and my brother are developing a website which is
Okay.
like a game Candy Crush, which is your GMAT pattern, wherein the question is divided in 5 parts: level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5.
Mm-hmm.
The major problem that kids have is confidence in mathematics. Second,
Mm-hmm.
where to practice from.
Mm-hmm.
So we have done their 40 minute ka test. Topic you select of your preference. You can mix topic multiple topic ways, and you can decide on your own which topics you want to appear for.
Right.
Once you do that, uske baad, you start with level 2. If you keep doing level 2 good for 2 questions, you will be given level 3. If you do level 3 for 2 questions, you will be given level 4. If you do level question 4 bad, you will come back to level 3 with different question.
Right.
That is how you do not get demotivated कि हमको कुछ नहीं आ रहा है. It's fine, कुछ तो आएगा ही आएगा.
Right.
And you have reviews, you have their entire solution out there to know about how things are worked step by step. Everything is solved out there, so you can decide. I mean, you can practice more. You know from where you can practice. You have different questions coming up every day.
Right.
So that is what I am trying to solve from my end to the kids, like how they can improve. Because that fear of mathematics now, it's fine to make memes on up to the 10th standard. On 11th, 12th, you drop it. But again, you need to go back to the post graduation. Or you go to placements also after your graduation. Also, when you go to placements, you have APTI exams. And for APTI exams, you need 8, 9, 10th ka base. Or for Bank
Right.
P also for that. So just hating a subject won't really serve the purpose. Love it or hate it, you have to study anyways.
Hmm. So,
So
and if you
yeah,
want to study, then the best part is uh, to start attempting the exams, know what level you are at, and then depending on
yeah,
that
yeah,
level, you start growing so that
right.
you're able to do this. Manthan, do you think that ये जो maths का डर है, ये स्कूल कॉलेज के बाद भी लोगों के साथ रह जाता है?
अगर स्कूल में आ गया तो वो रह ही जाएगा. Because of that, people leave in 11, 12.
Right.
Because they are afraid of mathematics. Most of them either leave science subject and opt for commerce without mathematics, or they move to other streams wherein mathematics is not involved. So because of that, they again, like today also, because of my viral video of being a maths teacher, I do get DMs. We are afraid of maths. I mean, we don't know why we left maths, or see, if you were good at maths and leaving for a purpose like you're taking humanities or something like that, it's fine. It's a completely, I know, understandable thing. But not fixing up to 10 standard K, your fear, if you don't fix it till 10, that in long run, if you are keen on doing post grad where APTI is involved, you will suffer in a long run.
Noted. Noted. That does make sense. Uh, okay then. तो मैथ्स की तो चलिए हमारी बातचीत हो गई. I actually want to come back to the cooking वाला aspect because I mean obviously never reached as much fame as you did. in terms of cooking, but because of the lockdown situation and because I was staying away from home back then, as I am now. But even back then, like that is when I actually started cooking. And incidentally, beach mein when I visited home, I was watching your video only, and I made what was that? बीटरूट का बर्फी बनाने लगा था मैं.
हाँ
हाँ, उसका आपने वीडियो बनाया था वो लाल इश्क वाला गाना डाल के. लेकिन लाल इश्क में मैंने बर्फी का वो मतलब बीटरूट का बर्फी तो नहीं बना मुझसे, हलवा तक बन गया था. बर्फी में कन्वर्ट
हम्म
नहीं हुआ वो, लास्ट में
हाँ
पार्चमेंट पेपर पे डाल के करना रहता है ना. दैट आई कुडंट डू.
हम्म
So
हम्म
at least halwa bana liya, and now that is a Mihir Haryal specialty at home.
हाँ तो even
कि-
I started halwa only. The
अच्छा.
first thing which I made out of beetroot was beetroot का हलवा only.
अरे सही है सही है. बड़ा अच्छा लगा था सुन के. चलो ठीक है, मतलब I'm on the right track. So as somebody who started like that, what really attracted me to your channel is that you made cooking look very very easy. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगा अगर कोई बंदा 15 सेकंड का वीडियो बना सकता है अबाउट कुकिंग अ डिश, तो इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स वो नहीं होगा.
Right.
Right. And I'm sure there are a lot of people online who probably will listen to this who will think, yeah, I also want to cook. I will love the fact, love the idea of cooking for my friends or my family. But
Hmm.
what is a dish which is easy to cook, but अपने friends और family के सामने ना बहुत अच्छे से उसका what जमा सकते
See,
हैं कि अरे देखो.
the favorite of that would be, I would say, uh, chia seed pudding.
Okay.
One, the chia seed puddings, sound fancy.
हाँ.
Second, अपने घर में, in the like our previous generation, they don't really, really, are keen on healthy breakfasts. At least in my home, they are not.
Right.
So putting that habit to your parents is something really good because with they should realize how healthy breakfasts are important. So when it comes to chia seed pudding, chia is a very superfood. So and it's very easy to make. Overnight oat smoothie, that's very easy to make. And when you present it very beautifully, it looks very fancy. It looks like अच्छा ही तो 500 रुपए वाली खाना आ गया हमारे लिए. It looks like that. When you garnish it with pumpkin seeds and you garnish with walnuts and blanched almonds. So when you garnish it with all that fancy looking thing, if you want to impress with people do something, make pomegranate mojito.
कैसे बनता है वो?
कुछ नहीं है, अनार के दाने लो,
हाँ.
just put mint leaves to it,
हाँ.
lemon and sugar if you want it,
Okay.
muddle it, add
हाँ.
Sprite to it and drink it.
अरे
It
ये तो
looks
सही है.
very beautiful. It looks very beautiful. That was the video which was copied by a lot of people on my profile. जिन्होंने मतलब उठा के मेरा video download करके YouTube पे डाल भी दिया है already. And people are sending me कि your this if you even if today if you go on YouTube and just type pomegranate mojito, मेरा ही video आएगा, not that recreated by somebody else. मेरा ही video आएगा 4 अलग profile पे.
अलग लेवल का.
So हाँ उनकी आवाज में भी आएगा कि आज मैंने ये बना जबकि हाथ मेरा दिख रहा है उसमें. So,
मतलब
but yeah, that's something which is very fancy. That's something which looks very beautiful. So you can always go for it. Hands on.
uh, now also what I wanted to ask you is that आज की डेट में because of COVID, one serious problem that a lot of people are facing is that there are many families which are staying together uh, with all of them being COVID positive and
Quarantined at home.
quarantined at home, right? And a lot of these people obviously can't cook, so they keep on ordering from the outside. But then when you're ordering food from outside, there's always this fear of more virus and bacteria coming in.
Right.
Uh,
Hmm.
so if those people start feeling a little better, and maybe they are in the final phase of COVID recovery or just have recovered, uh, do you have any meals that you would want to prescribe to them which are very easy to make but are healthy as well?
See, I don't know if they are because what I have gathered information from people that every person needs different kind of meal prescribed after for COVID recovery. But for the
Oh.
fact I know is, it should be high protein things. They should be healthy if you want to go for. Soups are the easiest to cook when it comes to healthy food. You just have
Okay.
to saute things, put in pressure cooker, go for the whistle, and blend
What
it. And
does
you just have to
what does saute mean?
saute means उसको प्याज को सेकते हैं ना जैसा normally.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Saute is
Okay.
sekna. So just saute
Okay.
the vegetables, put water, boil it, and just blend it. And the soup is ready. Just give it a boil and add salt and black pepper. That's it. That's the easiest way to cook any soup.
Right.
So soups are the easiest one, the most healthier ones that are really good for your body. So soups is something which I would say you can make egg recipes, you can make paneer ka recipes like paneer bhurji sandwiches. You can make paneer bhurji and usko use karke you can make paneer bhurji sandwiches. So all these things are very handy and they are very filling to an extent that they can replace one of the meals. So you can always go for that.
Perfect. Perfect. ठीक है. I think Manthan, I considering the time at hand also, it's been a very enjoyable conversation so far. And
Thank you.
I've learned a lot of things during this call, which is a lot to say because every call that I have with you, every time we speak, there's always something new to learn. Also
Thank
because
you.
also because most of our conversations start from your Insta channel. Where देखता हूँ like अरे अच्छा टाइप अच्छा बना है, and then I start to make that.
For that
Uh,
matter, I have to thank you also for pushing me to make more of egg recipes, for demanding more egg recipes so that I post it on my profile also.
I will take full credit for it. Because it so happened that last year, due to a personal resolve, I was off non-veg, so I was a complete vegetarian for over a year or so. Uh, and then uh, and then that's why whenever I wanted the protein source, I would always turn to paneer. बट
Hmm.
एक दिन ऐसा हुआ कि मैंने एक अंडा फोड़ के मतलब कुछ नहीं किया सिर्फ एक अंडा फोड़ के मैंने उसमें डाला
Hmm.
इस
Fan
मतलब
में.
पैन में और पैन में डालते ही देखा मैंने कहा ये तो पक गया यार ये तो बहुत आसान है
हाँ,
मतलब barely took any effort तो इसलिए मुझे
yes.
एग का बड़ा मन करने लगा and then I'm very used to your format of watching cooking recipe videos मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है मंथन से पूछ अगर customizable content बन सकता है तो
हाँ तो before that I never used to post egg ka recipes much because I was like अच्छा ये तो डाल के पक ही रहा है अपने आप तो why would somebody need that but then when I realized like one of my recipes which was onion ring ka salad which if that went viral I was like कि अच्छा everybody needs something different. So you should never feel कि अच्छा ये आसान है ये नहीं चलेगा या people need complex stuff ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है so I started making more variations to egg stuffing cheese with it or stuffing olives with that or mushroom with that or putting bread sandwiches in the egg so that is how I tried more and more stuff with it.
nice interesting So, so with this, Manthan, let's अभी अंडा जब भी बोलते हैं ना मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा the song starts to play अंडे का फंडा uh,
Okay.
and uh, and because I know for a fact that you really like Bollywood music I मतलब anybody who's following your channel will know that you like Bollywood music because you use it in every video of yours
Yeah.
uh, and and I wanted to play a quick game with you not a very long game but
Yeah.
I'm gonna call this game Diwane Parwane Mastane
Sure.
because it's a music related game. So uh,
Hmm.
this is the most Indian Bollywoody name that comes to mind. Uh,
Yes, yes, I'm
a
ready.
little tribute to Saregama of the 90s and early 2000s as well. Okay,
Yeah.
so what I'm gonna do is
Hmm.
I'll use some riddles, the answer to which lies in a song. Now,
Okay.
just to make this game a little interesting, uh, sometimes the answers will be very, very obvious. So
Okay.
in that case, you might have to know a little more about what lyrics were used in that song so that you can pick your
Okay.
choices accordingly, right? So here goes. So oh yeah, and also please respond very fast so that I don't have the technology to maintain a stopwatch right now, but let's just
Okay.
keep it as coffee with Karan as possible,
Done, done,
like
done.
the rapid fire round. Okay,
हाँ.
so the first question is, uh, इश्क को मीठा करने के लिए उसमें क्या डलता है?
गुड़ नाल इश्क मिठा.
गुड़ नाल इश्क मीठा ओहो ये इनफैक्ट किसी गाने में यूज भी किया ना आपने
हाँ ये जब मेरी गुड़ की रेसिपी सूजी के लड्डू में यूज किया हुआ है So every
हाँ
time I have a jaggery recipe, I use this.
हाँ। अच्छा, अब सेकंड सॉन्ग इज सलमान खान को गरम चाय तो मिल गई, लेकिन उसको मजा नहीं आया, उसको कुछ और चाहिए।
उसको पिलाने वाली चाहिए।
गाना बताओ।
अच्छा, एक गरम चाय की प्याली हो, कोई उसको पिलाने वाली हो।
थोड़ा अनु मलिक के स्टाइल में गा के देखो ना एक बार।
Are you sure?
एक गरम चाय की प्याली हो। सेकंड लाइन
कोई
प्लीज प्लीज।
उसको पिलाने वाली हो।
पर यार देखो वैसे, ऑफ टॉपिक, सलमान खान
हम्म,
अर्ली 2000s में काफी ऐसे स्टंट वाले काम करता था। अब वो अपनी
बिल्कुल।
इमेज उन्होंने वैसे बना रखी है, भाई वोंट किस वोंट टच, विल कीप डिस्टेंस,
हाँ,
बट देन मतलब गानों में तो उन्होंने बहुत ऐश मारी है।
अरे बिल्कुल, भाई भाई है भाई।
वो गाना याद है, आई लव यू, आरज़ू मूवी का। सो
हाँ,
द सॉन्ग इज the I mean the uh, I think 60% lyrics of that song is just the phrase I love you. I love you. I
ये
love
गाने ने
you. I
लिखा
love
होगा।
you.
हाँ हाँ, आई लव यू, आई लव यू, आई
I
लव
love
यू।
you. हाँ वो वाला।
हाँ, वो हिमेश रेशमिया पक्का।
हाँ, लेकिन मूवी आरज़ू थी औजार। हाँ, the movie name was औजार।
औजार औजार।
औजार
अरबाज
औजार।
खान, सलमान खान एंड सम एक्ट्रेस। नहीं,
Uh,
संजय कपूर
संजय
and
कपूर, शिल्पा
संजय
शेट्टी
कपूर,
एंड दिस गाय। एंड
सलमान खान।
उसमें विलेन में वो था, जो भाभी जी घर पे है में एक एक्टर नहीं आता, आरिफ खान, आसिफ खान, आसिफ खान। So he
I don't
was।
know his name, but yeah, I can recollect the face.
हाँ, तो वो वाला बंदा था। ओके, सो कमिंग बैक टू द गेम। हाँ, अ, शालू को लगता है आपका रिलेशनशिप लंबा चलेगा नहीं, क्या बोल के
जब तक
कन्विंस
रहेगा
करोगे?
समुद्र में आलू, तेरा रहूंगा वो मेरी शालू।
ठीक है, दिस वाज वेरी वेरी इजी, मतलब।
हम्म।
ओके, इनफैक्ट आई रिमेम्बर एक बार लालू प्रसाद यादव ने भी बोला था ना, जब तक रहेगा
हाँ,
समोसे में आलू।
उसका तो
तो
टैगलाइन है, जब तक रहेगा समोसे में आलू, तब तक रहेगा बिहार में लालू।
हाँ, एंड देन जब वो नीतीश कुमार आया था बिहार में, तो उसके
हम्म।
आते ही एक इंडिया टुडे की टैगलाइन आई थी। इंडिया टुडे ने एक कवर स्टोरी की जिसमें उन्होंने बोला था, द समोसा इज स्टिल इन आलू बट देयर इज नो लालू।
हाँ, राइट।
आगे, ठीक है।
हम्म।
ओके, तो जब रास्ते से जा रहे हो और भेलपूरी खा रहे हो, जब रास्ते से जा रहे हो और भेलपूरी खा रहे हो, तो साथ में क्या होना चाहिए?
लड़की को मारो।
अरे गाना तो गाओ।
अच्छा, रास्ते से जा रहा था, भेलपूरी खा रहा था, लड़की घुमा रहा था। तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं, तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं।
अच्छा, Uh, okay, now the next question is, I don't know if you remember this, but Rakhi Sawant in 2017, no, 2015, 2014, sorry,
हम्म।
in 2014, Rakhi Sawant tried to contest elections.
हाँ, जमानत जब्त हो गई थी उनकी।
हाँ, बट उसने
हाँ,
2014 में बॉम्बे के जो लोकल इलेक्शन में वो कंटेस्ट किए थे, एंड
राइट
शी
राइट राइट।
शी आल्सो गॉट वन वोट, बाय द वे। एक वोट मिला
हाँ
था
हाँ
उनको, वेरी
हाँ
फेमसली, जस्ट वन। उनकी
हाँ।
पार्टी का नाम क्या था वो, अगर आपको याद होगा, देन यू विल रिमेम्बर आवर फर्स्ट आइटम नंबर।
हर फर्स्ट आइटम नंबर परदेसिया, ये सच है पिया।
फर्स्ट पॉपुलर आइटम नंबर।
This was most popular. Now you don't have this answer in your list. This was the most popular one, परदेसिया ये सच है पिया।
ये राखी सावंत थी उसमें।
बिल्कुल, गूगल कर लो
अच्छा,
अभी।
ठीक है, हमारी रिसर्च टीम कंप्राइजिंग ऑफ मी
हाँ
गॉट
हाँ।
इट, गॉट
You
इट
had
रॉन्ग।
with you were asking about that one with Govinda.
नहीं, गोविंदा के साथ भी किया उसने।
बिल्कुल।
इतना तो मैंने
The
उसको फॉलो ही
movie
नहीं किया।
the movie is Joro Gram and the song is खुला है मेरा पिंजरा आ मेरी मैना. Go
अच्छा,
and search it.
उसमें राखी सावंत है।
अरे 100%।
अच्छा अच्छा, मैंने तो राखी सावंत को पहले नोटिस किया था जब वो मैं हूं ना में आए थे ना, मिनी बन के। एंड
वो तो बहुत लेट है, उससे पहले ये सब हो चुका है।
अच्छा अच्छा, और उसके बाद की बार क्या हुआ कि जब वो मिनी बन के आई, आफ्टर
हम्म।
दिस, व्हेन आई एक्चुअली हर्ड हर स्पीक, आई वाज लाइक, यार मूवी में तो वो बहुत अलग साउंड कर रही थी। फिर बाद में मालूम पड़ा कि उसकी वॉइस को डब किया गया था उस मूवी में।
हाँ। हम्म।
ओके, एनीवे भैया, उसकी उसकी पार्टी का नाम क्या था? दैट इज ओके, अ वेरी पॉपुलर ट्रैक ऑफ राखी सावंत।
Very popular track of Rakhi Sawant.
मैं अगर आपको उसकी पार्टी का नाम बताऊं तो गाना गेस कर पाओगे?
हाँ, वो आसान है फिर भी।
ओके, पार्टी का नाम था मिर्ची।
अच्छा, मिर्ची, हाँ, मिर्ची कमाल कर गई। नहीं, नहीं, उसमें तो वो था, अनिल कपूर था। मिर्ची, अरे मोहब्बत है मिर्ची।
मोहब्बत
हाँ,
है मिर्ची।
ये तो बहुत लेट था। दिस वाज़ जायद खान आई थिंक।
अच्छा, मतलब मैंने जाहिद खान की ना ज्यादा मूवीज
आई
देखी
थिंक,
नहीं है।
आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट आई
हाँ,
थिंक वो था एंड इससे पहले ये सब हो चुका है।
ये देखो, देखो ऐसा होता है ना
हुँ।
जब ज्यादा बॉलीवुड एक्सपर्ट आ जाते हैं, तो इंटरव्यूअर की मतलब बोलते हैं सर द क्वेश्चन इज रॉन्ग।
हाँ,
ये,
देयर इज़ अ क्वेश्चन का एरर।
हाँ, अरे मतलब मेरे को जैसे स्कूल वूल में नहीं होता था ऐसा कि कभी एग्जाम एग्जाम चल रहा है एंड सडनली वन गाय विल स्टैंड अप एंड ही वुड से कि एक बार एक्चुअली
सर,
हुआ
ये
था मेरे
क्वेश्चन
साथ।
में प्रॉब्लम है,
हाँ, ये क्वेश्चन में प्रॉब्लम है, इसमें मिसप्रिंट हुआ है।
इनकरेक्ट है।
हाँ, तो फिर क्या हुआ कि मैं वो एग्ज़ाम ना मुझे लग रहा था मैं फ़ेल करने वाला हूँ, ठीक है? तो मुझे सिर्फ़ एक क्वेश्चन सही चाहिए था और जैसे ही मुझे मालूम पड़ा वो गलत है, मैंने कहा, "हाँ, हाँ, हाँ, गलत है, गलत है।" फिर सब लोग शुरू हो गए पूरी क्लास में, "हाँ, सब गलत है, गलत है।" सो देन द इन्विजिलेटर कॉल्ड इन द सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्ट। फिर उसके पास गए, फिर उसका सेट वेट किया, फिर वापस आए और उन सर ने बोला कि, "अच्छा हाँ, सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज़ रॉन्ग। इसमें मेक सो एंड सो एडिट टू द क्वेश्चन पेपर।"
हुँ,
जैसे ही वो
हुँ।
एडिट किया तो दैट आंसर वाज़ एक्चुअली द हिंट। So whatever
हाँ,
edit he gave was actually a hint to the solution for me. तो फिर कॉन्फिडेंस आने लग
बढ़िया
गया, फिर
करोगे,
आगे आगे के क्वेश्चंस भी अच्छे से सॉल्व हो गए। मैंने कहा चलो अच्छी बात है।
बढ़िया है।
दिस नाइस, दिस नाइस। ऐसे करना चाहिए, लाइक ऐसे लड़के और होने चाहिए ऐसे ना। मेरा बॉयज स्कूल था तो फिर हमारे कॉलेज में तो हमारे स्कूल में जैसे बहुत सारे लड़के थे जो
अच्छा,
खड़े हो गए जबरदस्ती बोल देंगे, हाँ द क्वेश्चन इज रॉन्ग।
प्रॉब्लम है।
क्या प्रॉब्लम है? मुझे नहीं आता वो प्रॉब्लम है। वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है।
हुँ,
ठीक है।
नाइस,
Thank you so much,
नाइस।
Manthan. Like, this was a
Thank you so
very,
much
very
for having
enjoyable
this fun
conversation.
conversation. Yeah, I loved it completely.
So did I, Manthan. And thank you so much for being here.
All right.
Having said that, while we go towards the end of the session, uh, like you know that the reason we started this podcast is to generate funds for oxygen, as they are giving out oxygen concentrators across India.
Yeah.
So they Oxygen Foundation is raising 3.5 crores as a supporting campaign to them. I'm trying to raise 50,000 through this channel.
Okay.
So if you could give a shout out to everybody over there uh, through this medium right now, that'll be great. You know,
So
just
everybody who is listening to this, I would really request, please donate for this good cause. The times are bad, but we can do our bit. So please donate. Hearty request to you all.
thank you. And guys, the link is in the bio. Uh, Thank you so much, Manthan. I think this is one of the most enjoyable sessions I've had on
Thank you so
this
much.
podcast,
Yes.
and I really enjoyed it. And thank you so much for correcting my Bollywood knowledge here. मुझे पता नहीं था कि राखी सावंत का सबसे पॉपुलर ट्रैक परदेसिया था।
बिल्कुल, द
And
फर्स्ट रिमिक्स
this is
दैट उसके बाद तो रिमिक्स कल्चर शुरू हुआ था, दैट
this
पुराने
is
सॉन्ग्स को काटा लगा टाइप से जो बाद में आए थे, वो सब इसके बाद ही आए थे।
हाँ सोच ठीक है। All right. Thank you so much, Manthan. I'll see you around
ऑलराइट, या
and
बाय।
see you very soon. Bye.
बाय।
Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, listening to this podcast, and if you're watching this on YouTube in other ways, I hope you enjoyed this. There's a lot more coming up, a lot of interesting guests who bring a host of knowledge to the platform. Please do listen to us. We're available on Spotify, Geo7, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and as you can see on YouTube as well. So please do follow, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you around soon. Thank you, Manthan.
बाय, थैंक यू।